In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Huddle link in Slack. This is a quick task, but it's very useful when you want to invite someone into an active Huddle without asking them to search for the channel first. By copying the Huddle link directly, you can paste it into a message, a document, or anywhere else you need to share it. To get started, open Slack and go to the channel where the Huddle is taking place. Make sure you click directly on the correct channel so you're in the right conversation space. This matters because the Huddle link you copy will be tied to that specific channel. If you choose the wrong one, you may end up sharing a link that doesn't take people where you intended. Once you're inside the channel, look for the Huddle controls near the top of the Slack window. You'll want to click the Huddle drop-down menu. This menu gives you additional options related to the Huddle, and it's where Slack keeps the sharing tools for that call. If you don't immediately see it, take a second to check the top area of the channel carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your Slack view or screen size. After opening the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Copy Huddle Link. In some cases, you may first see the menu expand and then need to click the copy option from the list. Once you do that, Slack will copy the Huddle link to your clipboard automatically. At that point, the link is ready to paste anywhere you need it. You can send it in a direct message, post it in another channel, or add it to a calendar note or meeting update if that fits your workflow. A good tip here is to paste the link right away after copying it, just to make sure you don't accidentally replace it by copying something else. And that's all there is to it. Open the right channel, click the Huddle drop-down menu, and choose Copy Huddle Link. It's a simple process, but it can save time and make it much easier for others to join the conversation quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.